Hello friends, welcome to 5 Best Tools Hub. A CNC computer numerical control router machine is a powerful tool used in various industries for cutting, carving, and shaping materials such as wood, metal, plastic, and foam. Unlike traditional routers operated manually, CNC routers are controlled by computers, allowing for precise and repeatable cuts that match exact specifications. These machines are essential for woodworking, metalworking, and even DIY projects due to their accuracy, efficiency, and ability to create intricate designs. They're widely used in manufacturing, sign making, cabinetry, and prototyping, enabling users to bring complex, detailed designs to life with minimal manual intervention. With advancements in technology, CNC routers are becoming more accessible, making them a popular choice for both professionals and hobbyists. Number 1. Bulkman 3D WBF SPRA 5 CNC Router Machine. The Bulkman 3D WBF SPRA 5 CNC router machine is a robust and versatile choice for both hobbyists and professionals looking to expand their CNC machining capabilities. This machine is designed to deliver high accuracy and precision, making it suitable for a wide range of applications, including woodworking, engraving, and light metalworking. The Bulkman 3D WBF SPRA 5 CNC router machine is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a high-quality CNC machine that balances affordability with performance. Its accuracy, flexibility in size and spindle choice, and ease of use make it ideal for small workshops, DIY enthusiasts, and even semi-professional applications. Whether you're creating intricate designs, prototypes, or working with various materials, this machine is up to the task. Number 2. 2 Trees TTC 450 Pro CNC Router Machine. The 2 Trees TTC 450 Pro CNC router machine is a well-rounded desktop CNC machine that strikes a balance between performance, affordability, and ease of use. Ideal for both hobbyists and small businesses, the TTC 450 Pro is built with an aluminum profile and plastic body, giving it a solid yet lightweight construction. Its sleek black and red design adds a modern touch to any workspace. The 2 Trees TTC 450 Pro CNC router machine is a great choice for hobbyists, makers, and small businesses looking for a precise and easy-to-use CNC machine. With solid features, good software compatibility, and a user-friendly interface, it provides excellent value for its price range. Whether you're carving, engraving, or milling, the TTC 450 Pro delivers impressive results, making it a strong contender in the entry-level CNC market. Number 3. FoxAlien Masuter Pro CNC Router Machine. The FoxAlien Masuter Pro is a capable and budget-friendly CNC router machine, ideal for DIY enthusiasts and small-scale manufacturers looking to work with wood, plastics, and other soft materials. Here's a closer look at its key features, performance, and overall value. The FoxAlien Masuter Pro CNC router machine is a solid entry-level CNC machine. It strikes a good balance between affordability, ease of use, and functionality, especially for those focusing on projects involving wood and softer materials. While it may lack the power and precision of higher-end CNC machines, it's a great tool for newcomers to CNC machining and for users who require a reliable machine for light-duty engraving and cutting tasks. Number 4. 2 Trees TTC 450 CNC Router Machine. The 2 Trees TTC 450 CNC router machine is an advanced and versatile tool for users who need precision in milling, engraving, and cutting across various materials. With its robust design and reliable GRBL control system, this CNC router is designed to deliver high-quality results for both beginners and experienced DIY enthusiasts. The 2 Trees TTC 450 CNC router machine is a fantastic choice for hobbyists and small-scale professionals who need a versatile and reliable CNC router and laser engraver. Its sturdy design and precision-focused features allow it to handle a wide variety of tasks across different materials, making it a worthwhile investment for those looking to expand their DIY capabilities. Number 5. Vevor S4040 CNC Router Machine. The Vevor S4040 CNC router machine is an affordable yet powerful choice for hobbyists and small-scale professionals seeking precision in engraving and carving. This CNC router stands out for its well-designed structure and effective performance within a moderate price range. The Vevor S4040 CNC router machine is an excellent option for DIY enthusiasts, hobbyists, and small workshop owners. Its robust build, combined with a decent working area and high engraving speed, makes it a valuable tool for crafting detailed designs. While not suitable for large-scale industrial use, this CNC router performs well in smaller applications and is easy enough for new users to start engraving quickly after some basic practice. Overall, this is a reliable and cost-effective choice for those looking to add a capable CNC router to their toolkit. Many thanks for watching this video.